There we are guys, lemon pepper seasoning made. How easy is that? Make your own. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make lemon pepper seasoning. So easy to make. It starts with grating some lemons and we're going to dry the grated lemon. So we're going to dry the lemon zest. So let's show you how to do this. Come on. Okay, nice and simple. We just need to zest up 6 lemons. Zest up the lemons and put the lemons back in the fridge for further use. It's simple as that really, guys. And then all we're going to do is put it in some tin foil wrap, and we're going to wrap it up and put it in the oven, and we're going to dry it out. Okay, there's our lemon zest come out of the oven. Still a bit warm actually. That's dried out. Now I don't want to dry this too much. You know, if you dry it too much, you're going to lose some of that acidity, I can't even say it, acidity and that lemon zest flavour. You know, it goes a bit dry, a bit woody. So that's enough. That's dried out enough, and we're just going to mix up our pepper mix to go with that. Okay, so that's cooled down a little bit. Let's get that in there. So we're just going to chuck our lemon zest in our bowl. Now we'll put it in a bowl. We'll mix it all in a bowl. Maybe just put it in a plastic bag, shake it round. Doesn't matter. Right, so that is the zest of our 6 lemons. And then we want 3 good tablespoons of cracked black pepper. So that's 3 good tablespoons of cracked black pepper in there. So that's already looking like lemon pepper seasoning. Want a tablespoon of onion powder. Get that in there. And then we want about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So mix that up in there. Now this is my variation of lemon seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning. We want half a teaspoon of dried coriander. You know, coriander's got a bit of a zesty twang to it, and it works really well in this lemon pepper seasoning. Want about half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and we want about 1 teaspoon of salt. There we are guys, that is our lemon pepper seasoning made. Now that looks fantastic. There we go. All we have to do now is put it somewhere to store, in a jar or something, ready for use. So that is lemon pepper seasoning made. There we are guys, lemon pepper seasoning made. How easy is that? Make your own. So simple. Lemon pepper seasoning made guys. Easy as that, ready for use anytime. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. Oh, that is peppery and lemony.